Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In this tutorial guys, if you have the inverted colors up problem as seen here, where your TV looks washed out, I do not have a picture on screen currently, but of course this is just mainly to show you what the screen will look like in this problem. When this problem is active, that the colors will look negative or washed out. It look like an old negative photo, real, but of course you can easily tell it might be a case as well. You might think that the TV is damaged. Alright, so in any case, for this exact model, I'll show you how to fix the inverted colors problem. Now check it out guys. As you're seeing on screen, these colors are inverted. Notice even the animation there where it says no signal is inverted. Whites have become black and black has become whites. So that's how you're getting that negative effect. Now of course TV is not broken. I'll show you to fix it on this particular device. Now of course this is the remote for this device, which is this LG. If you go to your menu or access your settings, menu settings, same thing. What you want to do is to go into your settings. You can tell as well the problem is happening here as the menus are looking quite weird. TV is unwatchable as well because or any movies because of the inverted colors. So you're gonna go down to general. Sorry, you're gonna go down to accessibility actually. Once you're in accessibility, on your TV, no matter what the brand is, it's usually the same. It's usually under accessibility. You're gonna search for this option that says inverted colors, and it is actually on, and that is what's causing the issue. So what you're gonna do here is just simply select, and notice instantly the TV goes back. So the text is white, the background is gray, and the extreme background is black. Notice as well the signal or the no signal is now back to normal. Alright, so there you go. Notice everything is good and the TV should be showing as normal. So that's how to fix the issue on this LG TV that's seen here, that is accompanied with this particular remote or models that are similar from the LG line. Alright, if you have any questions, please ask them below. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Same until next time. Bye.